Welcome to another Quick Tip Monday. Today it's all about PC shortcuts and the ones we found most people simply didn't know about. So we're going to dive right into this and start off with browsers. First thing you're going to want to probably learn about is how to open up all these links without actually having to go into them. It's something I'm quite often doing, especially when I'm reading articles on computer security. There's tons of links in there, like people just fill it up. And I don't want to be clicking on it, losing where I am. So there's two ways you can go about doing this. You can use your middle mouse and open up your tabs like that. So I'm opening the links now in just different tabs, and I can still maintain where I am. Or you can do Control and left click, and it'll do the same thing. The other important thing that I often find is I am very bad at this, and I accidentally close tabs that I didn't mean to. All you have to do is hold down Control, Shift, T, and it'll re-bring up that tab. That should definitely help you, and I hope it does. The last little bit I'll give you is if you hold down Control and hit T, it'll give you a completely new blank tab, and you can start searching whatever you need to search for. Now that's the browser's done. Next I'm going to show you how to launch your task manager faster than doing Control Delete. So on Windows 7 and Windows 8, all you have to do is hit Control, Shift, Escape, and there's your Task Manager. Another little quick tip just for the Task Manager, click on Options in Windows 8, select Always on Top. I can't remember if you can do this in Windows 7, but what this allows is if a program crashes and you got a black screen and Control Delete, Control Shift Escape isn't working, you're launching Task Manager but it's not coming to the front, that solves this problem. It'll always make sure it's in the front so you can kill those programs that are causing you issues. Let's get into a few more. If you need to minimize everything on your screen, say you're looking up a gift and your significant other walks in and you don't want them to see you're going to buy them that jewelry that they're going to love, just hold down Windows and hit Windows key and hit M. It'll minimize everything on your screen. Next little tidbit we can give you is how to lock your session really quick. That's when you basically lock everything out and you need the password to come back in. Just hit Windows key and L. I'm not doing it while I'm recording. It'll end everything. And then if you want to bring up your system properties, all you have to do is hit Windows key and then pause break. This is really helpful for us techs, so I hope this can help you. If you have multiple monitors, another quick way to play around with them, especially if you're hooking your laptop up to your TV, just hit Windows key and then P, and it will actually give you your options right here for how you want to use it. And another quick Windows key one, in Windows 7 this will launch your Mobility Center for people with laptops. In Windows 8 this launches the Super Admin menu. I'll show you right here. So this is the Super Admin menu using Windows key X. For the people from Windows 7 who remember Mobility Center, if you're on Windows 8 and you hold down Windows and you hit X, Mobility Center options actually right in around here, so you can still launch Mobility Center here. And lastly, we're going to get into 3 more for you. Now, if you want to rename a file, you can either double click on it, right click it, select rename, or you can just hit F2 and let's rename Kyle as woman to Kyle sex change, because I know he wants to shoot me for this photo that I made. So F2 allows you to really quickly rename things. Another beneficial one is Windows key and then E, which will launch up an entirely new file browser for you. Alright, and lastly, let's show you what I think you might get is Control plus backspace deletes whole words. And then if I accidentally boo-booed, Control Z. I think everyone knows that. So there you have it. These are your quick tips of PC shortcuts. We're going to try and take a look at some Mac ones for next week. Don't know how I'm going to do that one for you guys because I am not a Mac user, but if I have to, just to get it to you, I'll bug a friend for theirs.